Welcome to this video on the relationship between fish anatomy and their environmental requirements. Understanding this connection is essential for ensuring the healthy growth of fish in a natural environment. Fish possess both external and internal anatomy designed for survival. Their organs, such as gills for oxygen extraction and their skin layer for protection, are deeply influenced by the quality and conditions of their aquatic habitat. Let's test your knowledge. Can you match the fish's anatomical organs to the correct environmental conditions needed for their survival? Think about what each part does. Here is the answer key. The gills require high dissolved oxygen, the swim bladder relies on stable water depth, and external scales thrive in clean, mud-free water. In our previous session, we identified the key parts of a fish. Today, we go deeper to examine how specific organs depend on environmental conditions to keep fish growing healthily. Consider these two ponds. If water becomes polluted and turbid, what happens to the delicate internal tissues of the fish? The answer lies in the relationship between their biology and the water. To understand this, let's define two key terms: dissolved oxygen, which is essential for respiration, and water turbidity, which measures cloudiness caused by sediment particles. Consider the story of Mang Nicanor. After a storm, his pond became muddy. The sediment clogged his tilapia's gills, preventing oxygen intake and causing them to gasp at the surface. This situation highlights a clear link. High turbidity leads to clogged gills, which then results in respiratory failure. It is a critical lesson in managing aquatic environments. Why did the fish gather at the surface? Because oxygen levels were insufficient, and their gills could not process what little oxygen was available. Furthermore, the mud particles physically coated the gill filaments, which blocked gas exchange and led to suffocation. Maintaining healthy fish involves managing water parameters. By testing water quality, monitoring temperature, and providing aeration, a culturist ensures the fish's organs remain protected. The foundational rule is simple. A fish's anatomical structures are directly dependent on specific water conditions to function correctly for their survival. For our application activity, choose a station, visual, auditory, or kinesthetic to explore how environmental factors protect fish anatomy. Evaluate your work using this rubric, which covers anatomical alignment, collaboration, and creative organization to ensure you have mastered these concepts. Now let's test your understanding with this quiz. Read through each question carefully, focusing on how environmental changes impact fish anatomy, and select the correct answer for each point. Here is the answer key for the quiz. Compare your responses to these correct options to evaluate your grasp of the relationship between fish biology and their aquatic environments. For your assignment, conduct a home fish raising environment audit. You will need to research local practices, identify key management steps, and summarize how these methods prevent damage to fish stocks. To conclude, remember that a healthy environment is vital for a healthy life. By protecting our waters, we sustain fish populations, support food systems, and ensure a prosperous future for our community.